We've got another lovely Ford Ranger available. This is a 2019 on a 19 plate. It's got no VAT on this one, so it's a privately owned truck we've taken in part exchange against a new Volkswagen Amarok. Shadow black metallic, lovely colour, extensive amount of kit on this truck which I'll go through with you. 53,000 miles. And looks fantastic. So this one has the 3.2 TDCi engine. Full Raptor front bumper, replacement bumper, colour coded. It's got the large oversized Ford grille. Black bonnet deflector there. There's a few little chips on the bumper. We haven't done this kit ourselves. A few little stone chips. Bonnet's in lovely condition, there's no marks on there as the bonnet protector has done its job. Fuel, gloss black wheels, 20-inch, nice Yokohama tyres on this one, not too knobbly. Bit more of a road going tyre. It's had a 2-inch suspension lift. Let's get to the side profile, it's sitting nice and high. Gloss black wheel arches, there's a little mark there that's been touched in on the wheel arch. It's got the body cladding on this one, they've really gone to town on it. So body cladding down the sides in matte black, gloss black side steps. Black roof rails, it's got a mounted 42-inch LED light bar on the roof there. On the rear, we've got a SCR Sports tonneau cover. I'll lift up there. Real nice looking cover. Fully waterproof these are. Smoked tail lights, gloss black rear bumper, tow bar on the back there, rear camera, usual WILDTRAK spec on this one. So you've got all your sensors, you've got your rear camera. For a 3-year-old Ford Ranger, this is in lovely condition. Show you gently around the body. There's a little mark there on the grille that's been touched in. So I'll show you inside. Standard WILDTRAK interior in this one. So you've got the black and orange. It's got the multifunction steering wheel. Heated seats, sync Ford navigation, black headliner. Nice in the rear. Real eyeful this truck. It's got all the right bits on. I'll show you there's a slight bit of wear to the driver's bolster, which is usual on a WILDTRAK. If you're looking for one of these, you'll see most have, when they're a few years old, a little bit of wear to the bolster of the seat. It is not a brand new truck, so it is to be expected. So no VAT on this one, which is great for the private buyer. All the kit. This is available on our website with 20 photos, full description. Thank you for watching.